everybody! So the last time I spoke to you guys, I ended it with that I was leaving for Las Vegas. I had to go and catch my plane. I made it, and I got to Vegas, and I had a fantastic time. It was great to be back in the city where I was crowned. So when I landed, I said, okay, I have a feeling when I get inside the Planet Hollywood, I'm probably gonna be a little emotional. There might be a little bit of tears or some smiles. Like, I wasn't sure how I was gonna react. I get to the Planet Hollywood Resort, and I walk in, and you know when you're in like a building where so many great things happen, like the smells like bring back memories, and the environment and the people, like everything brings back memories. Well, I had this waft of emotion, and I basically was on the verge of tears just remembering being there for 3 weeks with all my girls and ultimately winning the coveted title. So for Halloween this year, Danny in her last video blog tried to tell you guys what we were supposed to be for Halloween, but she got beeped out. So she was Sailor Moon, and I was supposed to be the sexy, the venomous, the absolutely incredible and fascinating Poison Ivy from Batman. Since, after all, everyone called me Poison Ivy after my green gown and red hair at Miss USA. Thank you, Andy Cohen, for that. But Kim Kardashian stole my costume, basically. She stole my idea. So I decided for Halloween I was going to be something hotter than Poison Ivy. I was going to be myself, and Kim Kardashian can't top that, so that's what I was for Halloween. It's state pageant season for Miss USA 2012, and it's I'm excited for the new girls, but of course I'm going to be biased. I love my 2011 queens. We were, I'm going to say, the best class of Miss USA history, basically. So you only get 12 months to be Miss USA and do all that you want to do with the title. And I'm already approaching my halfway mark, and it doesn't feel that long. So every time an outgoing title holder warns the incoming title holder that it goes by really fast, they're not kidding. It really does. And I just hope that the 2011 queens, my sisters from the class of 2011, know that I'm with them, you know, every step of the way. For the new girls coming in, I hope you get ready for a wild adventure. It is only 1 year, and the Miss USA experience is definitely one you're not going to ever forget, and it's also going to be the experience that takes up the most space in your Facebook albums.